Checking your account balance with Calvin B. Taylor Banking is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Calvin B. Taylor Banking website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you are on the official site to protect your personal information. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escroc to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account information. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Accounts or Account Summary. This section will provide an overview of all your accounts with the bank. Step 4. Select the account. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will take you to a detailed view of the account, including recent transactions and your current balance. Step 5. Log out safely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account to protect your information. Look for the logout option, usually located in the same area as the login button. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Calvin B. Taylor Banking. Regularly monitoring your account helps you stay informed about your finances.